Hello, how to solve this linear problem? We have x plus 9 equals x. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So this is what we are going to do. I can start by subtracting x from both sides of this equation. So you have x plus 9 minus x equals x minus x. So x minus x is 0. So we have 9. And this equals x minus x again, that is 0. And 9 is not the same as 0. So that method of solving is not correct. Let's consider this. We have x plus 9 equals x. So we can decide to take the squares of both parts of this equation. Raised to the power of 2, raised to the power of 2. So to expand this, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. And my a is x and my b is 9. Applying that here, I have x squared plus 2 times x times 9 plus b squared, that is 9 power 2. So from here, I have x squared plus, this is 18x plus 81. Now, that is the expanded form of this, and this equals x squared. Right? So from here, I move this over here, so we have 18x plus 81. 81 equals x squared minus x squared. So from here, I have 18x plus 81 equals, this is 0. So from here, of 18x equals, I move this over here, I have negative 81. So solving for x, I divide this by 18, and divide this by 18. 18 cancels 18. I simply have x equals 9 goes here, this is negative 9. There's negative here, and 9 goes here. This is 2, right? So you have negative 9 divided by 2. Now, this becomes our answer, but we need to check if this answer will satisfy the equation. We have x equals negative 9 divided by 2. And this is x plus 9 equals x. And our x is negative 9 over 2. So we have negative 9 over 2 plus 9 equals negative 9 over 2. This, let's find the LCM, which is 1. So right now, the LCM is 2, sorry. We have 2 here. This divided by 1, the LCM is 2. 2 divides to 1, 1 times negative 9. Negative 9 plus 2 divides 1, 2. 2 times 9, we have 18. Is it the same thing as negative 9 over 2? Negative 9 plus 18, that is 9. And this is divided by 2. And is this the same thing as negative 9 over 2? Obviously. 9 divided by 2 is quite different from negative 9 over 2. This shows that this particular equation or this particular solution is wrong as well. Now we have tried out 2 different methods and we are not getting it right. So what is the problem? Let's find out graphically what the problem could be. So this is our graph, and right here, this is the y-axis. This is negative y. This side here, we have negative x, and this side is the x-axis. And from here, the equation remains. We have x plus 9 equals x So we can say that y equals x plus 9. You can also have y equals what? X. So right here, this will be our 9, positive 9. This is our positive 9 in x-axis. This is negative 9 in x-axis. Negative x-axis, there is negative 96. Negative 9 also is negative y-axis. Now, for y equals x plus 9, our graph will go this way. Y equals x plus 9. Right? This is for y equals x plus 9. Let me make it cross this. Right? So this is for y equals x plus 9. Now, for y equals x, y equals x plus 9 and y also equals x. That will cut across this point of the initial point. So remember, this is negative 9. So for y equals x, cut across this initial, which is this. Right. Now, this is y equals x plus 9, and this is y equals what? X. Look at this, look at the graph. You will discover why we are not getting the solution. Now, as you can see, these two parallel lines have not met because this point here, this point and this point do not intersect. There's no point of intersection between this particular x plus 9 and x. As far as there's no point of intersection, that means there is no solution. So as far as this particular line here does not intersect with this other line here, that means we are not going to get a solution. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it, and this is the reason we are not having a solution. If you feel like there is a solution to this problem, then please drop it on the comment box, because even if by testing, you want to test, by testing of x plus 9 equals x, you want to test, read by saying let x equals any number, maybe 3. It will not still give you, because this will give you 9 above this. This will give you 12, which is 9 times above this. So what then is the solution? No solution. We have no solution. So that is it. Is there any solution? No. So, and there's no solution at all. There's no solution. There's no solution. There's nothing to say. There's no solution at all. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.